to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Benham Ranch Bulls. This is Mr. Wells with the morning announcements. Today is Friday, January 7th, 2022. Thought of the day. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Helen Keller. Today is Old Rock Day. We celebrate Old Rock Day on January 7th every year to remember the Earth's incredible history and to pay tribute to the amazing geologists who help us understand it. We've been dependent on rocks since we first walked the Earth, and today is no different, with rocks forming the foundation of our daily lives. So if you want to revel in the remarkable old rocks or sit back and spend time with a stone, we've got you covered. Lunch today is barbecue pork rib sandwich, tater tots, garden bar, fruit, and milk. Weather today is a high of 56 degrees and partly cloudy. This morning there will be the PBIS assembly. Please remember we are following the morning assembly schedule. Everyone have a great day, and remember, Bulls lead the way.